turbochargers impact important engine parameters, such as fuel economy, power, and emissions. Safe to say these are worth protecting. Now you can with the all-new CAT Performance CVA. Ever had a turbo fail? Not only is your machine out of commission, but worst-case scenario, it can damage internal components like pistons, liners, heads, and valves. Don't sweat it. With the Performance CVA, your dealer performs all maintenance, inspections, and adjustments as prescribed by your machine's operation and maintenance manual. Combine that with condition monitoring, and your dealer can identify issues before they occur. Plus, with genuine CAT filters and fluids, your engine will work better and last longer, which includes your turbos. We're so sure of it that if your turbo fails, the part's covered when installed by your dealer. And your dealer sends a skilled technician to do the replacement, so you feel secure knowing it's properly installed and tuned. With the Performance CVA, turbos are protected, your ownership is easy, and your equipment is ready to work. Talk to your dealer about the Performance CVA.